Welcome to Audacity Lesson 9. Today, we're diving into one of the most crucial tools for audio editing, the compressor. If you've ever had a recording where some parts are too loud and others are too quiet, a compressor is your solution for achieving consistent, even audio levels. Let's start with a hook. Even levels, compressor fix. This is the primary goal of using this effect. A compressor reduces the difference between the loudest and quietest parts of your audio, bringing everything closer together for a smoother sound. Now let's jump into Audacity and see the compressor in action. This is where we learn how to apply it correctly to our audio track. First, select the audio segment you want to adjust. Then, go to the Effect menu at the top and select Compressor to open the control window. The threshold slider sets the volume level where the compression begins. Any audio louder than this threshold will be reduced. Start by setting it just above the loudest peaks you want to control. Next is the ratio. This determines how much the volume is reduced once it crosses the threshold. A ratio of 2 to 1 means that for every 2 decibels over the threshold, only 1 decibel is passed through. After compression, your overall volume might drop. That's where makeup gain comes in. It boosts the volume of the entire compressed signal, ensuring your audio is loud enough without clipping. Let's quickly recap what we've learned about the compressor effect. Using the compressor gives you much better dynamic control over your recordings, making them sound professional and ready for listeners. Remember where to place the compressor in your effects chain. It's generally best used early, typically after noise reduction but before equalization or reverb. That wraps up our lesson on the Audacity Compressor. Join me next time as we explore more powerful editing tools.